Welcome. This video I'll show you how to block websites on Brave. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your browser. Now by default, as you can see, we'll click on the three horizontal lines and click on settings. When we go ahead over to shields right here, you can just adjust the connection, trackers, and ads blocking model. It be strict, aggressive, or disabled, just like this one. Now, when you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you have social media blocking right here, which you can go ahead and toggle on or off. Content filtering as well. So what we would do, okay, to block specific websites is that you want to go ahead and go to your extensions manager right here at the top right. If you don't have this option, click on three dots or horizontal lines. Hover over extensions and click on visit web store. Okay. In here, we're going to need to install system. Okay. System right here, web blocker. So click on it. Now just click on add to Brave and there will be a pop-up right here. Just click on add to Brave. Okay. Let's say we're going to find or we're going to log into Facebook right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the extension section. Click on system web blocker like so, and just click on add this URL to block list. Okay. As you can see here, when we go ahead and open up Facebook right here, it should be blocked. Now to unblock, just go to the top right, click on the extensions tab once more, go back to system, block list, remove it. Okay, refresh the page or go ahead over to facebook.com once more and it should be back. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.